FX Empire brings you a review of Plus500. Now, Plus500 is one of the leading online Forex and CFD brokers out there. The company was founded in 2008, and today it has offices across the globe, including in the UK, Cyprus, Australia, and even Singapore. With over 2,500 trading instruments that you can trade on this platform, this company, which is listed on the London Stock Exchange, is truly making waves. The company operates under a variety of different subsidiaries for a variety of different types of regulation. And by the way, the company also sponsors Atletico de Madrid Football Club, one of the top football clubs in Spain. So with Plus500, you can take advantage of leverage trading in over 2,500 instruments across Forex, commodities, indices, shares, options, and cryptocurrencies. You can trade with a multi-licensed company in terms of regulation. We'll look at the spreads and the fact that there's zero trading commissions a little later. And we'll be looking at the proprietary trading platform too. In terms of regulation, well, this company is regulated by ASIC in Australia, which is a very tight regulator. It's also regulated in Singapore, and it's overseen in Israel by the Israel Securities Authority. And most importantly, it's regulated by the FCA in the UK, which is a very, very good regulator indeed. And this regulation comes with an investor compensation scheme, which guarantees your funds, your deposits up to £50,000. In terms of actual trading, there's only two accounts. One of them is the standard account, which is the basic live trading account, and that gives you leverage of up to 1 to 30 because, of course, of the regulation. The deposit required with this account is $100 starting, and the spread is variable. So in order to view the spreads, we'll have to take a look at the trading platform. Looking now at the risk management tools, and you can see that the platform itself comes with a lot of risk management tools, including guaranteed stop and trailing stop to and close at profit. In addition, I just want to show you some of the spreads available to you then. Other than this, there are zero commissions. There is, of course, a rollover for overnight trading, and you get wider spreads on guaranteed stop orders, plus inactivity fees of just $10 will be levied if you do not log into your trading account for around 3 months, plus no charges for deposit and withdrawal fees. And we were discussing the account types. Bear in mind, there's also professional account if you place a certain number of trades. I think it's 10 transactions per quarter for the last year. Also, you have to have a total investment portfolio of €500,000, and then you can access a 1 to 300 leverage. To find out more about the company, you can do that in the company section of the website. Plus, all of the FAQs can really help to give you lots of information. Bear in mind, there is an economic calendar on the website. But there are, and also trading alerts, and on the platform you will find that there are updating news. And now I'm just going to open up a demo account, which is very, very easy. You can do it within 2 seconds just by using Facebook or your Google account. And this is the proprietary trading platform. So let's take a good look at this. Now, all of the instruments are available here, and you can, of course, search for instruments. There's also a tool here that will help you look. This is like the watch list that can help you look at risers and fallers. You can set your favorites and also look at the popular ones. So once you've done that, you can literally sell or buy directly from the platform. So simply click on sell, and I've got 2-click trading, and then sell, and then you can see here there's a little number 1 that then shows you that I've got a position open on the natural gas. If I want to close that, simply click on close, select the amount of contracts I want to close, and close position from there, and then that closes for you. You can also favorite these to keep these in your your popular watch list, and you can set alerts for yourself to update you at certain levels. So if I then want to look at the cryptocurrencies, for instance, you can see here I've got Bitcoin, so I can place a trade on this, select the amount of contracts I'd like to trade, and then simply close, and then opt to close at profit if I wish, or close at loss, and click on buy. There is also an advanced option, by the way, which I'm just going to show you now. So this is for your risk management, your trailing stops, and only buy when rate is. So this is your pending orders. And this is all your info about this particular asset. With your chart on the left-hand side, you can actually maximize this, by the way, and you can conduct your studies on here. Change the type of chart you'd like to look at, the time frame, add your indicators from here. So let's add the RSI, and you can see that simply adds there. So there's loads of indicators for you. And then this is your saved view, so any saved charts you have. Then this is buy price, sell price, your crosshair, as you can see here, giving you all the information you need, the ability to draw on charts, and then of course minimize this again, and bear in mind you can sell and buy directly from the chart. So also on the left we have orders, so these are all the orders I've executed so far today, and also my close positions that I've done, so you can see the total. So I'm at a loss at the moment, and this is currently a demo account, but I can trade for real by switching to a demo account, and of course placing a deposit, which I can do in a number of ways, including by e-wallets and credit card and bank wire transfer. And in terms of, we spoke a little bit about the updating news. Well, this is your notification center, just keeps you updated on what the market is doing. Of course, it's earnings season at the moment, so this will update you on all the reports coming out. And you can also see trader sentiment here on the stocks too, with change, highs, lows, pretty much everything you need to help you make a good trade on the stocks. So here we are looking at the Plus500 app here. And as you can see in front of me, this is the demo version. In order to switch to the real money version, I can simply click on the blue bar at the top of the screen. Now, from this screen, I can search for the asset I'm interested in trading. So I can do that by clicking on the search button. Now, I've got the option to choose my favorites here. I can select from commodities, indices, popular pairs, cryptocurrencies, risers and fallers, all popular, UK, and so on. So there's a huge selection. And then from here, I can simply check out the asset, look at the way it's moving. And if I press on one of the windows here, so I press on the little eye, a full screen will open on this asset with a chart. Now, with this chart, I can change the time selection, but I can also click on the FX and add some indicators. I can also look at trader sentiment just below. I have live statistics, which are constantly updating, and high-low rates over different time frames, plus loads of information, and even an economic calendar entry below, which shows me this asset and how it's going to perform in the next data release there. So in order to do something with this, I can simply click on sell. I can simply click on sell or buy, type in the amounts I'd like to trade here, the required margin I will need, choose any of the following orders, close at profit, close at loss, trailing stop, and then simply click on the sell button. And that then is enacted, as you can see. So in order to then close that position, I can simply click on the close button, and then that will happen within another click. So that's how simple it is to use this. In order to check out your open positions, you can see that on the left hand side, all of your closed positions, like the one I just closed now, are available there. Your open orders, and of course switching to real money from here. Plus you can set up alerts. Just simply go to the bottom of the screen, go to the notification settings, and you can set up alerts on different assets. You can check out your account from here, so an account screenshot, and you can also speak to the customer service. You can manage your favourites, take a look at the economic calendar from here, and also earnings as well. And you can access live chat from here too, so speak to somebody very, very quickly. And you can also rate them on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And all of your available equity and margin and so on is at the bottom of the screen. So this is the app, and also any notifications for you are available by clicking on the globe sign there. So this was it, a look at Plus500, a real powerhouse of a company with everything you need inside their excellent proprietary platform. We just mentioned earlier the economic calendar. This is how it looks, and also your corporate events are in here too. So happy trading with Plus500, brought to you by FX Empire.